Welcome to the JEE Mains 2026 Session 2 video. This video provides memory-based questions and solutions from the exam held on the 4th of April 2026. We will begin by reviewing questions and solutions from the physics section. Question: a wire of resistance R is stretched to double its length. Find the new resistance. Solution: since the volume is constant, doubling the length halves the area. Using R equals RHO 2L/A/2, the new resistance R is 4R. Question: if the radius becomes half in circular motion, what happens to centripetal acceleration? Solution: centripetal acceleration, A equals versus squared slash R. If R becomes R/2, the new acceleration A to reach is versus squared slash R/2, which simplifies to 2A. The acceleration becomes 2 times the original. Question: in Young's double slit experiment, the slit separation is doubled. What happens to the fringe width? Solution: fringe width $beta$ equals $lambda $d/d. If d is doubled, $beta$ becomes half. Thus, the fringe width becomes half. Question: find the energy stored in a capacitor. Solution: the energy stored in a capacitor is given by the formula U equals $1 2CV². The answer is $1 2CV². Question: half-life equals 10 days. What is the time to decay to 1/8 of the original amount? Solution: 1/8 of the original amount is 1/2 cubed, which requires 3 half-lives. Time equals 3 times 10 days, or 30 days. Next, we will cover the chemistry questions and solutions. Question: identify the compound with the highest boiling point among hydrogen oxide, H2S, hydrogen selenide, hydrogen telluride. Solution: hydrogen oxide has the highest boiling point because it exhibits hydrogen bonding, resulting in the strongest intermolecular forces. Question: determine the order of acidic strength for phenol, p-nitrophenol, and ethanol. Solution: electron withdrawing groups like nitrogen dioxide increase acidity. The order of acidic strength is p-nitrophenol greater than phenol-ethanol. Question: what is the coordination number of Fe in iron 1 cyanide 6 to the power of 4? Solution: the coordination number is the number of CN ligands attached to the central metal atom, which is 6. Finally, let's move on to the math section. Question: evaluate the integral from 0 to $pi/$2 of dollars in cubed, x $dx. Solution: we rewrite dollars in cubed, x dollar as dollars in x 1-cos squared x dollar. After integration, the result is 2/3. Question: solve the differential equation dy by dx equals y by x. Solution: separating variables gives dy by y equals dx by x. Integrating both sides yields $lny equals zeta lny equal nom x plus c dollar. The solution is y equals cx. Question: solve the equation $x2 plus x plus 1 equals $5. Solution: by checking intervals, we find 2 possible solutions. When $x, GE $2, $x equals $3. When $x minus $1, $x equals minus $2. The answers are 3 and minus 2. Thank you for watching this video on the JEE Mains 2026 Session 2 Memory-Based Questions and Solutions.